नमस्ते बहन, नमस्ते भाई, कैसे हो? So today we are going to learn an important thing related to investing. आज का मार्केट देख लेते हैं. इंडेक्सेस निफ्टी 50 कंसोलिडेट किया है, 174 पॉइंट्स अप. निफ्टी 50 क्रॉस्ड 24,000 मार्क. बैंक निफ्टी कंसोलिडेट किया है, -60 पॉइंट्स, it is down by 60 points. Tata Steel up by 1.6 rupees. डे एंड में स्पाइक कर रहा है. गुड फॉर द इन्वेस्टर्स जिन्होंने टाटा स्टील का शेयर लिया है. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू. डैशबोर्ड देख लेते हैं. सो today's one day return is 89 rupees. Total return is 6600 rupees, which is 19.24% return. Very good. So today we are going to learn an important lesson on why we should invest in SIPs. So you can see I'm in front of you. So this is for a beginner who is not doing any SIPs. So for example, we invest 1000 rupee. We are investing 1000 rupee per month. You have seen I am getting a return of 19%, but let's assume we are getting 18% return on an average, and I am assuming on an average you are 30 years old, so we are doing an SIP for the next 30 years till you get to 60 years. So 1000 invested, 18% return, and time period is 30 years. So look down how much it becomes. Invested amount is 3,60,000 and total value will be 1 crore 43 lakhs over a period of 30 years just by investing 1,000 rupees. So see the power of compounding and see the power of SIP. Now suppose if you don't want to invest every month and you want to invest a lump sum amount one time and leave for the next 30 months. See how much it becomes. No? See, this is SIP calculator and this is lump sum. So for example, if you have an amount of, if you invest an amount of 1 lakh rupees, one time investment over a period of 30 years and 18% investment. So again, this investment is 1 lakh rupee, but your total value will be 1 crore 43 lakh rupees. So this is the power of investing. And SIP or lump sum, anything you are comfortable in. And this rate of return 18%, we can get it easily if we invest it wisely, because as you can see in my dashboard, I am getting a return of 19.24%, but I am assuming it to be 18%. Suppose if some people will tell that we don't get 18% return, we get 15% return if some people tells. So see how much we'll get. Again, we go to the SIP calculator by Groww, SIP section. If we just invest 1000 rupee at the rate of 15% return per annum, and time period will be 30 years. Okay, so it becomes 3.6 lakhs becomes 70 lakhs at the rate of 15%. And when we go to lump sum, and if you invest 1 lakh rupee at the rate of 15% for 30 years, it becomes 66 lakh rupees. This is why I recommend you to invest. Anyone and everyone can invest 1000 rupee easily every month. So that is all. Once look at the top gainer and top loser for the day. So these are the top gainers: Ultratech, NTPC, Wipro, SRF, GSW Steel. Top loser PNB. Wow, PNB is down by 5 rupee, which is 4.2% for the day, which is huge. Then top by volume, and there are so many categories are there. But I think good time to invest in Tata Steel because it is down by 10 rupee in the last 2 days. So hopefully it will again go to 185 mark. So you can make 10 rupee out of it. So if you will invest in around 1000 shares, you will get a major chunk of 10,000 rupee profit, which is a good deal. Again, bank nifty is coming in green, is coming in profit. It is consolidated throughout the day. Today it wasn't the day for the traders who are trading in options, because because throughout the day the market is consolidating. Nifty 50, it was good, preferably better, because it is somewhat looking like a bull run. Sensex was also good, so people could have traded in Nifty 50, Sensex. Then look at finnifty also consolidated, so a premium will decay. There is no point of investing, like trading, no point of trading. So that's all for today. Thank you.